encouraging curiosity and inspiring the spirit to try and build something new in today's What's Cool at School.
This is what we're going to be using to make your keychains today. We're going to print them out. However, you guys need to make the models first. So I'm going to be teaching you how to do a program called Tinkercad.
A makerspace is a place where children can tinker, build, and create.
Now hold down control and just keep pressing D. There you go. Is that a good flower?
Whoa!
The first large-scale original makerspace in our community and in the country is at Discovery Children's Museum.
Putting the power in their hands so they can feel capable of being able to invent it. Say, hey, I couldn't find a board game that was a Minecraft board game, for instance. Well, you can build one. If you scroll up, it's that dark green one right there.
I wanted to do this because every time when I come to my house, I always wanted to build. So this is why I came to this camp.
Discovery Lab Makerspace offers kids a tangible experience with a variety of technologies, from 3D printing to pottery making and laser cutting.
It's like carving wood with a laser.
And what do you want to do with laser cutting? What are you looking forward to creating?
I'm looking forward to creating like a spaceship.
You got a spaceship, a robot, and puppets. This is a good camp, man. During our visit, kids were in the 3D print workshop making keychains.
I'm designing a flower.
3D printing is like plastic, but you're gonna do it on the computer and we'll go out like plastic and you'll do it.
Let's shrink that down. Some of them will just sit there for the entire 40 minutes of the print and just watch it.
The goal? To inspire a willingness to try something new, helping children take an active role in a very hands-on process.
I'll describe it as like that's like more of is building stuff and having fun.
It's a chance to exercise creativity while taking a break from a piping hot summer, and it's for the whole family. So parents can jump in and join the kids in this process.
Absolutely. The way the workshops are designed are to be a little more difficult so the parents can be there. You guys can work together, learn together.
Future workshops include string art, iconic mouse ears, pillow sewing, and creating art out of old vinyl records.
We have a different type of workshop we're doing every month.
So students learn how a 3D printer works, they're shown how to develop shapes and sizes on design software, and you take home what you create, and for some kids, maybe meet a new buddy.
Yesterday was my first day coming here, so I was scared at first, but then when me and my sister made a friend.
Whether it's designing in 3D or making wooden shapes with a laser cutter or using the kiln to fire their creations, educators observed the moment when it just clicks.
When they were listening, they were like really focusing and listening. And all of a sudden, as soon as I started showing the machine working, they were like, whoa, oh, whoa, I can do that. And yeah, that's the big click that happened with them. And they were only 4.
And that's what's cool at school. To vote for this program, or if you know something that's cool at school, just head to LasVegasNow.com, click on Cool at School under the Community tab, or send your email to coolatschool@LasVegasNow.com. The winner will receive $250 for their program.
4:14 here on your Friday morning. Coming up next on Good Day, road tripping to Hawaii, from tourist hotspots to places off the beaten path. Also, we've got the need for speed. It's your first look at the first official trailer for the second Top Gun movie on 8 News Now.
Instead of fighting for our country, her fiancé decided to fight crime as Batman.